my first album, named One More Chance. So pick out 7 original songs and 3 cover.
Yeah, because you've been writing original.
Yeah, man, been writing.
Time.
Been writing. I just never build up my confidence yet, until Sebastian pressure me and say, yo, love sing over too much. Ray. And draw me one side and I say, have you sung them? I say you sung them. And, I just push ego out the door and say, say, true your talk. True your talk, I just start take it serious, like I say. And then I link for other Beres and Beres, I say, wait, make him hear some song and for other Beres, say, help you why it will song. Just sing the song them, you sing them like how you sing over there. That alone the man tell me.
So from back then,
yeah,
you link Beres.
Yeah, but from day one, man. From day one, man. You link Father B, man. And Father encouraged me and say, yeah, man, I can make him hear some things, And I say, just sing them like how you sing over. And it worked out for me because I found myself writing some songs where if me never tell people, say, my song, every them think I was a sing over song. So right away, I said, no man, worry yourself, man. You have them, once you have them way there, you're good, man. Don't make that get to you, man. Just go and do it, man.
It's working.
It's working. You know what I mean? I'm going to start spew them out, man, and kind of, ease up off of it. Because sometimes we used to have some girl that write all the song them. Sometimes we write some different thing from what the song say. And we feel say, so, come out and listen because someone sings them, so I don't know the song go, bro. Man, them screw it up, but we don't even watch them, the face them time.
Yeah.
You just have some girls, some of our girlfriend who write out the song them for you, and you feel like that, But then we just switch just switch it up and start get more creative, and the more we grow in it and we have more experiences and so much more things, especially with relationship, you know what I mean? Relationship are the easiest thing that to write about. I want a high school girl and say, no matter what you do, girl, it's over. Let me tell you reality. Saddest day of my life, I have a girl look for me and say, she not see me in a relationship, I gonna further. You know what I mean? Relationship now coming. I said, saddest day, now fire, put me emotion in it, and you know what I mean? Instead of cry, we just go draft with pain, I walk around and kick some stone. I said,
The fact that you can take the situation and put it into a song, because you said it's verse, chorus, verse, or chorus, verse. You know what I mean? The fact that you could somehow in your brain figure out, okay, this is how I could turn this into a song. That's amazing, bro.
For real. It is like you broke up on a girl and said, star. And it's a come out. I wanna take you to a place I know where we can be all alone. It's like a painter paint. You see it and paint it. And some ear the melodies. And once me get that spark to inspire it, it does come out in a song.
Because what I tell people, especially with creative people, all you have to do is start. You see, from you start, everything just starts to flow, and you don't even know how you finish a song,
For real,
how you finish the art or whatever you're trying to come. Because you had the beginning, you might even have the middle or the end,
And the end.
But the fill-in part, as you go, everything just seems to
I always have a mention my teacher because I saw Beres did something like early 92, right? Check this out. In my voice, I was in the studio, me and him a rookie. My voice, I wish you would stay longer. Father Beres put down the hook, bro. Remember I said that is 24 track, So that means I measure it out and put down the chorus, stack it up with harmonies. Measure it out. So him have 8-bar verse, then the chorus. 8-bar space, then the chorus. Him lay that out, have the chorus fat. So you see him go like the book now and come back round. And rookie balance it out and harmonies them sound fat and nice. And I not lie, I never say Father Beres have no pen or no paper. I just see him and listen back and make sure that I hear the harmonies nice, and I say, come, I go around back. I say, go around now. And I just hear the man slur it and I say, I cherish every moment when you're not. I said, no, so what kind of man this? And then by the time I finish the verse, here comes the big chorus. Don't lay down and read like a Pro Tools the man I used from 92.
I remember it's almost like backwards that he's wishing the song in a bus.
Yeah. The man lay down the chorus, measure it out. So when him go back round, it's like amazing. That kind of mess me up too. And I said, for real?
Yeah.
So that now I start learn about structuring, measurements, bars. Kind of count it, can say him approach it with a 8-bar a 4-bar intro, 8-bar verse, 4 chorus, 8-bar verse again. I'm have all of that measured out in my head.
It's a formula, you know, boss.
It's a formula.
A lot of people hear these nice songs.
Yeah, and I'm always telling you, say, in the end of my song, just bell out. You know what I mean? Chorus, I go, just some little ad-libs around it for finish it out and close it out. You know what I mean?
That's crazy.
But I'll be a teacher, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm nervous. I did when my voice at this day, the morning, you know. One day in the studio, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Father Beres in the studio, man. And I some somebody knows them as a young artist, you know. I say, Weenie. Stop and say, Weenie. Try to erase. That's a little flat. See it, I try to erase. This man say, okay, all right, Father B. Ready again. You know what I mean? So, I get teaching from the best. Mikey Bennett, Andel Tucker, Sly Robbie auditioned me for the first time. You know what I mean? So it's like, I've been through a good school, bro.
You're talking about the top of the
top. Cause Mikey Bennett money take right into a whole different level. I didn't me appreciate creating. You know, Mikey Bennett, I one of them. Tony Kelly, Dave, you know what I mean? When I'm born German, still about the Vermin, want me sing over the song then. You know what I mean? But then, you know, me have a lot of things that may have other people. I say, yo, you have a creator, after a time. You know what I mean? And I start learn more about the business now.
Yes,
I say, when you create your stuff, that are your pension, you know, bro. So if you want to have your pension, you have to create.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I just put my mindset to it, and, you know, with the help of Sebastian and, you know, the youth them are creative around me. You know what I mean? So it does work out for me. Give thanks, you know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.